everyone, good morning. For today's video, I'm going to make a croissant, mini croissant. And this is how I make it. Because we have different ways in making it, but this is how I make it. So, stay there and watch how I do it, okay? I'm going to use this bigger mixer because I made more. I double the recipe so that I could share my friend, my grandma's friend, who is always giving me fruits. So in return, I'm going to give her bread. She do not like sweet, so I'm going to give later this croissant to her. So first, I have here 400 ml of water, just plain water. And I'm going to add 400 ml of fresh milk. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of instant yeast. Then 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, this is vegetable oil, 200 ml. And I'll mix it. We don't need to raise it because I use the instant yeast. So after that, I'm going to add 12 cups of bread flour, but I leave some for our dusting later on. So I will just add it here. This one I will leave it there. And the last one is 2 teaspoons of salt. I use the Himalayan salt. Later on, I'm going to use 200 grams of butter and 200 grams of cheddar cheese. Okay, so for the meantime, I will leave it in the refrigerator. We have to keep it in the refrigerator because now it's summer here in Taiwan and it will melt. So now I'm going to put it in my bed. In my mixer. There's my mixer. It's very convenient to have a mixer rather than to knead it by hand and it's very hot. Yeah, yeah. So we are going to rest it for 1.5 hours. Or depends until it doubles in size. We'll put it back here. Yeah. Maybe 1 hour because the weather is so very hot, and it will rise quickly. Okay. Rest it there. Okay. So later again. Oh. I'm going to cut it right into this because it's too big. This is the butter. We're going to grate the butter. $100 here and 100 grams in the other half. Okay. We are going to roll it. We divide it into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then rest it. Same here. Same. 4, then we'll do the other one. Okay. Melt, so quickly put back in the freezer. Then work on it. Just a little patient. Then we're going to use this cheese to cover. I brush it with butter while still hot. I just want it soft. Okay. This is with Eden cheese. So here is our mini croissant with cheese filling. Our filling is butter. This is butter. So we have to do it quickly because the weather is so hot and it will not melt. So next time I will not make this during summertime. It's very difficult to handle. You must have to put it right away in the refrigerator to avoid from melting. There. Rest. This is with butter fillings. Okay, I still have. Okay, finish. Okay, this is the peanut with peanut fillings. We're going to cook. This is with butter filling. Okay. This is with peanut butter filling. So later. Wow! The butter melts. See? This is with butter filling. We're cooking the one with peanut fillings. Hello! This is with butter. And this is with peanut butter. You see? Oh, they're so cute. The first one we made cheese filling. Now this is with butter filling. And this is with peanut butter filling. So I made 3 kinds of filling. You know? I want to try. The butter filling. If you use butter, it must be with salted butter. Delicious, so delicious, you know. Very delicious. This is when, sorry, it was happy. This is with peanut butter. Delicious also. But for the 3 filling, for me, filling I want the most is with the butter filling. Peanut butter. I want this butter filling. Delicious. So you have to use the salted butter. This is with peanut butter. And yesterday I ate the one I keep already. It's with cheese filling. Okay? So it's up to you which filling you want. But for me, the butter. So that's all. I made a lot. So keep it in the freezer. Every time I want, I will just steam. I steam it so it becomes soft again. If ever you want to heat it in the oven, you must accompany it with hot water. You heat the oven and you put a cup of hot water there and you put the bread. But for me, the easiest way is to steam. You just put in the steamer. Okay? So, this is the different kinds of croissant filling I made. Different croissant with different filling. Okay? So, that's all. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.